Good day, sir. Today I'm going to report my topic, which are types of detention facilities, which are detention chambers and filter strips. Yeah. Detention chambers are underground tanks or systems that temporarily store stormwater runoff. Yan. Its function. Detention chambers are underground structures designed to temporarily store stormwater runoff and release it at a controlled rate. Yan. So ayun nga ato ang pinaka-purpose talaga is gina-manage niya ang stormwater runoff by collecting it and releasing it gradually until it's completely drained. Gina-release siya sa hinay-hinay. Tapos hasta sa maubos. Yan. Then, and design, they are typically constructed of concrete or other durable materials and include an outlet structure to regulate the release of water. Ayun. So, amo nga nito siya iya sa iya design is which are an outlet structure na nag-regulate siya sa release of water. Amin na siya sa Then in durable materials na ginasabi is mga precast ini siya na ginbuo siya ng mga precast. Then amito siya magiging detention chambers. Then in detention chambers is malulocate mo siya sa underground, not actually na underground na wala sang opening. Underground may opening man po siya kay para nga ni dito tubig. Then mostly ang height niya is nag-range from 5 to 15 meters. Yan. Nakikita mo siya sa mga lugar na mga developed areas. Kay ini siya ang detention chambers is mahal siya. Actually kay amo nga iton kailangan sa mga precast like mga precast, then an outlet structure na aramtaman baga pag masabi mga sa machine mechanical. Yan, mahal talaga. Then paano baga siya work? Stormwater enters the detention chamber through storm drains. Yan, through storm drains and is held until peak inflow volumes subside. The detained water is then released at a controlled rate into nearby water bodies. Yan, gina-release siya sa mga apiki na kung igaman san apiki na in water bodies. Dito siya i-release san hinay-hinay lang kay para syempre kung biglaon ang pag-release is amo lugod magakos sa flood na ginhimo nga ni para ma-prevent ang flood. Yan. Then ang benefits, detention chambers provide flood control. So amo na nga nito ang ginasabi nga kanina syempre ang iya benefit is ang flood control, then gina-reduce niya ang peak flow rates. Tapos magagamit siya sa mga areas na surface detention is not feasible. Yan lang po sa detention chambers. Next is filter strips. Filter strips are vegetated areas designed to remove pollutants from stormwater runoff before it enters a receiving water body. Yan. Ini siya and filter strips is primarily ginagamit siya sa agriculture to control non-point source pollution. Then, however, they may also be used to reduce sediment and stormwater runoff from construction sites. Yan, ginabawas yung mga sediments. And, kaya syempre baga vegetation, pag umagi dito ang tubig, may tendency na dito na makarapyot, dito na maanoan mga sediments. Then, effective man siya, highly effective siya in reducing the concentration of nitrogen and phosphorus in runoff into surface water, and are also effective in reducing sediment erosion and removing pesticides. Yan, amo po na siyaan function san filter strips. Then sa design, they are typically planted with a variety of grasses, shrubs, or trees that can tolerate periodic flooding and filter pollutants from the water. And ada na nga ne. So, ang iya design is grasses, shrubs, or trees. Ada man sa picture, makikita man po kung nanay na siya. Then sa benefits, filter strips improve water quality, reduce the risk of downstream pollution, and can be used in combination with other stormwater management practices. Yan. So, ini nga this help, unfilter strips is kaya niya magbulig sa prevent eutrophication. Yan, ang eutrophication is na siya inan masyado enriched ang tanom sa nutrients. So, ang tendency is mag-grow siya na mag-grow. So, nanon mangyayari, di ba? Makukuha niya ang mga oxygen na anto sa tubig. Then, ang mangyayari is, associated with fish kills. So, mawawalan sa oxygen. Siyempre, mawawalan sa oxygen ang mga isda like that. Then, mapapatay sinda. And loss of biodiversity. Then, the use of filter strips is very common in developed countries and is required by law in some areas. The implementation and maintenance of filter strips is inexpensive, and their use has been shown to be cost effective. Yan, naman siya pinaka cost effective na type of detention facilities. That's all po, and thank you.